guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection part 1, but it is also in a super cute little box. I know it's a Christmassy box, but and also I will have my Musical.ly social media down in the description down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get on with it. So the first squishy we have is this super cute pink bow panda bun. Super surprising. I'm missing a couple, so I will have a part 2 or a part 3. I have this super cute mint flavored, scented ice cream sandwich. Super surprising. Green panda bun, no bow. Fluffy turtle. No idea. Also have no idea. Reminds me of a ducktail face. Someone's going to say DuckTales. Galaxy Donut. Hamburger with defect. Homemade smiley face squishy bun. Omelet, I think, or egg. I'm not sure. Mini Hawaiian bun roll. Or Hawaiian ab. Koala. Squishy Dare video. Good twin. Bad twin. Saltine cracker. Banana. Croissant or Viking hat. I think it's called devil cake. Yellow Swedish fish. Kiss emoji pink mini bun. Drizzle waffle bun. Cupcake. Flat donut with no hole. It reminds me of a Hello Kitty donut, kind of. So I'm going to say heart Hello Kitty donut. But that is all the, that is all the squishies I have for you guys today, which I'm going to show you all of them in my lap. Those are all the squishies I had for you guys today. But I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any editing tips, please comment them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.